What's going on, y'all? It's James with the game, and today I want to talk to you guys about safety. Safety, guys. Guys, you gotta protect your hands out here. We dealing with all types of plants and all types of just all kind of dirtiness. You gotta protect your hands. You gotta protect your nails. You gotta just protect yourself. Period. All right? Because if you ain't protecting them hands, here come the poison ivy. Here come the itching. Right? Then you might go back to the house and take that to the crib. Trust me, I know. I had the whole house itchy last season. It's embarrassing. All right? So listen, protect your hands. I'm seeing guys out here weed whacking with no safety glasses on. You got to protect your eyes or you're going to go blind, my man. Come on. Come on. Like, that's common sense. Weed whacking, you got to cover your face up. For me, I cover up everything. I put the glasses on and I got my little lawn care poo shiesty mask. People are like, you ain't hot. It ain't even about that, bro. I'm covering my face. I don't like stuff hitting my face, all right? Don't kill me, guys, but I really think you should either have a shirt with your logo on it or a nice little collar with your logo on it. If you can't do a logo, do the lawn care colors, green, the brightness. You know what I'm saying? Like, don't just pull up with the shirt on, a backwoods shirt on, a gun on your shirt, pants sagging, sneakers on. Yo, when I see guys with sneakers on, I instantly laugh because I know you walking up them hills slipping. You getting grass stuck all in your sneaker. It's just a bad joint. All right? So, listen, we got to be professional, y'all. We got to. Because who would you hire? You got me. I'm pulling up. Nice little collar on. Good boots. Nice little slacks. Looking good, clean. Hey, how you doing? Talking all, and I'm doing a good job. But then you got main man, he pull up, cigarette, pants sagging, pair of Jordans on. He got on tennis shoes about to cut grass. Like, no, that's not it. We gotta be more professional, y'all.